Hello students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Once again, I am Mr. K. Selvamani, who is sitting in front of you. First of all, I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel. This is Python video lesson number 61. In previous lesson, that is Python video lesson number 16, we studied about how to create age calculator in TK Inter. That GUI application accepts your date of birth and returns correct age of you. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson. You work this age calculator also, I think so. Okay. In this lesson also, we are going to study about very interesting concept, that is text to speech converter. Very interesting, text to speech converter. So in this application, we will type one text. For example, I love India. Either whatever language, in English, Tamil, Malayalam, whatever language you can type. There will be one button. If we click this button, the text will be converted into audio that will be played with the help of any media player. That audio as well as will be stored in our computer. In future, we can play it again. So that is what is called as a text to speech converter. Whatever text we typed in the entry, that will be converted into audio. That is what called text to speech converter. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. For this application, text to speech converter, we have to install one extra model. Normally, we are using TK Inter model. In addition to that, we have to install one more model that is called as GTTS. GTTS is the abbreviation for Google Text to Speech. G stands for Google. Again, T stands for text. One more T stands for to. H stands for speech. That is GTTS. Google Text to Speech. That is the model. How we have to install the model, that we will see now. All of you know very well, this is called as a search box. Here you have to type CMD, command button or command prompt. In command prompt, if you want to install any model, by default, while installing Python itself, some of the necessary models will be installed, just like a TK Inter. Some of the models will not install, that we have to install. How we can install? That's also very simple. PIP space install space, we have to specify TGTTS, that is Google Text to Speech. Just put enter. It will take some time. It will be installed. Since already I installed in the computer GTTS, it will show already installed. While first time install, it will take some time. Okay, let it be installed. We will see afterwards. Now, since this GTTS will not support IDLE, normally we are writing program in IDLE. See, now it is installed. Required already satisfied. If it is not installed previously, some text will be going some. Clutch will be installed. Now it's no more needed. We can minimize it. So this is little bit advanced programming. That is why this normal IDE will not support. So far we are working with normal IDE, Python IDLE we are using. So now we have to use Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. For open Jupyter network or use with Jupyter network, you can install Anaconda. That also very easy from the network, from the internet. You can download and as well as you can install. So Jupyter network I just opened. Jupyter network is here one editor. That's all. Just like IDLE. Most of the model will not support IDLE. That will be supported by Jupyter network. So since the first time opening, it will take some time. So here you have to click new, and then Python 3 we have to select because we are using Python 3 editor. In this Python 3 editor, we can type the program, whatever we did in ideally same thing. So as usual, we have to import from tkinter import star. Already we installed one more model that is called as gtts. Gtts import. GTTS is a one model that contains small t, capital TTS as one class. Okay, this class we have needed. That is why we imported GTTS. GTTS stands for Google Text to Speech Converter. Good. So here we can. This is a model for Google Text to Speech. Text to speech. Then we have to import one more model, that is OS. So if you want to save the file, we need OS. As we play the file, we need OS. That is operating system. Good. Then remaining things same. We need one root level window. That is top level window. Then we have to get one title, root one dot title. So I have to give text to speech converter. So I have to give the geometry, root one dot geometry. Here I can give 400 is with x100. Good. Good. After that, in our GUI application, we need first one text. The text should display text to speech converter as a title. Under this, we need one entry. Into this entry, I will type some text, whatever language you know, either Tamil or English. For example, I will type I love India. Good. Under this entry, there will be one box, that is button with the text convert. If you click the convert, the text what you have typed in entry, that will be converted into audio. That audio will be played using media player. As well as that audio will be stored into our computer. That is what our aim. So I like to add 3 control, 2 label, 1 text, sorry, 1 label, 1 entry, as well as 1 button. First I will place one label. Label 1 equal to label window, that is root 1. So top level window, comma. Text will be text equal to, that is text to speech converter. Speech converter. Here I want to give background color equal to light pink. Whatever color you want, you can give light pink. Comma. Font equal to bold, comma 30. Whatever size you want, you can give it. So we are adding one label. I want to place over the top window root 1. So we need grid. Label 1 dot grid of row equal to 0, column equal to 0, row equal to 0, as well as column equal to 0. Now we need one entry equal to entry root 1, comma. Here I like to place width equal to 40, the width of the entry. I want to type more text, that is why I place as a width as 45. Then font is 50. font equal to 15. Whatever size you want, you can give it. Under this, I have to add top level window root 1. Grid row equal to 1, comma, column equal to 0. Good. Then we need one button. Button 1 equal to button root 1, comma, it will be text with convert. Then this width will be, if you want to give it, you can give, otherwise you can repeat. Width equal to 15, comma, BG color. BG color equal to, not BG color, only BG equal to yellow. Whatever color you want, you can give it. Comma. Then command equal to play fun. By clicking this button 1, it will call play fun. So we need here play fun. Play fun. Now I want to write now any statement here. I just say put pass. Good. I like to place this button 1 over top level window. Then button 1 dot grid. Already we are using 0th row, first row, second row. Now it will be second. Column is 0. That's all. Now one dot main loop. Necessary control we placed over the top level window. Good. First, I will run the program. By pressing this run, it will run the program. It shows some error. Button 1 equal button, root 1, text equal to convert, equal to 15, BG color, command equal to play fun. With the spelling is wrong. Good. Now I run the program. See it here. The frame comes. Yeah, okay. Now I can type it here. Good. Our aim is if you click convert, the text should be converted in the text, that is I love India, should be converted into audio. That audio should be played with the help of media player. This is a label, this is entry, this is the button, all are clear. But we didn't write the program, what should work after we click convert. That we must write. That is here. Good. Instead of pass, now I have to save the text, whatever available in the entry 1 into audio. How we can do it? That's also simple. We are creating one variable or object converted audio. This is object created under gtts. gtts. Capital TTS. So gtts is a one class available under gtts model. That is what we are inputting here. Okay, good. Now that should be, we have to give one argument. What are the text? The text is the text which is yet to be converted into audio. The text is I love India, that is available in entry 1. Entry 1 dot get. Already we know very well entry 1 dot get. So this entry 1 dot get gives text available in entry 1. That should be I love India. Okay. Then in what language it should be converted? Either English or Tamil. One more argument that's equal within EN. EN stands for English. Here we can have one here. For English, EN. Okay. For Tamil, TE. Likewise, there are so many options are there. We can go for Malayalam, Telugu, like this, you can go for. Okay. So I want to type I love India in English. That should be converted into audio in English. That is why you are using GTTS. We are giving two arguments. One is text, which is yet to be converted into audio in which language here. Okay. Then now converted audio is in converted audio object creator. This audio should be saved in our computer. Audio dot save. Here we get to give one path. I like to save this audio into E drive. What is the name? Whatever name you want, you can give it. I want to give waveform. Okay, this is the E drive, this slash and sample.wab. The converted audio will be saved in our computer in E drive. The path of the file you have to see. This is the path, this is the file. So sample.wab, that file will be saved. That file contains audio of I love India or whatever value, whatever text you typed in intro. One more thing, the same audio should be played. How? That's also very simple. os.system. So system is the object. System is one method which is used to run the file. Okay. Now where the file is saved, it is saved in E drive. E:/sample.wab. That's a very simple. And now I will explain. We are creating a top level window with one title. We are assigning the geometry size of the top level window. We are placing one label with the text to speech converter. Again, we are placing one entry. Again, we are placing one button with the text convert. If you click the button 1 with the text convert, it will call play fun. This is the play fun is a function. Here, convert audio is a one object which will be created under gtts class with the argument 2. One is the text which is yet to be converted into audio. Another one is the language, which is in which language the audio should be converted. That is okay. So after that, this object, converted audio is an object, is saved as a file in our computer in drive E: as sample.wave. After that, OS is a one model. It has one method that is called as system. System is the method which is used to run the file available in our computer. In this case, we are giving E:/sample.wave. So the system method will run the file available in E:/sample.wave. That's all. Now I can run the program. We will see the output. Here I typed I love India. Okay. After type in entry, I must click convert. Now the converted audios will be saved into E:/sample.wave and then that will be played. See, it is automatically playing. So you can hear the sound, I think so. Okay, so that is what we needed. Now, the file is either saved in the computer or not. How we can see it? The file is saved in E:/sample.wave. Now go here. Now I'm opening my computer. I can close it. This also we can close it. Go to E drive. We can check it up. See, the file is saved. Okay, we can run the file. Same audio will be displayed. That is I love India. Okay, this is what we needed. One more thing. What will happen, sir? Instead of typing I love India in English, in some other language you want to type, what we have to do? Now I can delete the file. We can try it once again with a different language. For example, in Tamil language. நான் இந்தியாவை விரும்புகிறேன். Likewise, I have to type. Just have to take some time. No, I delete. Good. Now again we go here. Instead of EN, that should be changed as TE. See, EN stands for English. TE stands for Tamil. That's very simple. The problem is, in my computer, I don't have Tamil font. That is why I cannot able to type Tamil. English we can type. Okay, sir, how we can need to type even though the Tamil font is not there? That's not a big issue. Google Translate is there. You know very well Google Translate. We can go for Google Translate. With the help of Google Translate, I can type in English. The text can be converted into Tamil. Google Translate. Here I have to select this one. Okay, here I have to type I love India in English. Cool. Here it will Tamil. Okay, this is the text I want. I just copy the text. Good. Here in my application, here I have to paste it. Very simple. If your computer has Tamil font, you can directly type Tamil. Since I don't have the Tamil font in my computer, I went to Google Help and then converted into this one. This one. I love India, as well as it will convert it into English and then copy the text I placed here. Good, everything fine. Now I like to click convert. Non Indiavi Virumbugireen is the text what I typed in the entry. If you click convert, that should be played as a audio in media player in Tamil. Now you understand. I can increase the volume. Once again, we can try out. That's good. This is what we accepted. Okay. Once again, I close it. I'll go to my folder here. Same text will be played as a audio. Okay. Once again, we can play it. That's all. So very simple. Okay. First, we have to place one toppler window. After that, one label. After that, one entry. After that, one button. That's all. If you click the button, play fun will be called. Here, play fun is there. The play fun, inside the play fun, we are using gtts class. This converter audio is a one object created under gtts class. So it has two arguments. One is text, another one is language. The converter audio is saved into one for our computer. The converted audio which is saved in our computer is played. That's all very simple. Today I stopped here itself. I hope all of you enjoy this lesson well. You can try out this program in your free time. Really, you will enjoy. Whatever text you typed, that will be converted into audio form. Thank you, students. Bye-bye. We will see next class.